Hello everyone, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage. Look what we got here today. This is a 118 rally car, and then you can get a buggy, truggy, short course truck, or whatever other vehicle. Now, when you look at this vehicle first thing, you say, okay, it's another car that some company manufactured. But if you look closely on the box, look what it say. Those are HPI Racing. So those are the Maverick by HPI Racing. So it seems to be that they are getting back. I'm pretty happy because of all the lawsuit with Traxxas and all the problem. They were out of business for a long time, so hopefully they're going to come back, so we're going to have some great vehicles again. So without any further ado, let's look at one of the vehicles. So all those vehicles kind of have the same basic platform, the same frame, the same kind of shock system. And what they're doing, they're changing the body and they're changing the wheels. I decided to show this one because this one have the rally tires on it, and I know the street cars right now and speed is kind of something that's going on pretty big. So let's look at it. So let's open it up, and then I'm gonna show also the remote. It's come with a cheap remote, but it's come with a good charger. When you remove the bodies, the clips and everything, very easy to remove, very simple, a very cool body. And then when you look inside, this vehicle is brushed electric. And when you look, they did all-in-one system in it. You have your 380 motor, and this is like, it seems to be that it's a MM28 steering servo, tiny steering servo. Those steering servo notorious to break, so if you get one of those and you're gonna go jump or whatever, this will be the first thing that fell on you. This thing already come with a battery and a charger, so the only thing that you're going to need to do is get it, charge the battery, and go. Now the vehicle is very simple. You have like the shock system that actually feel pretty good. It have a nice rebound to it. It just not snap down. They are four-wheel drive. They have cool differential that work very good. The frame is a very basic frame that we saw before on the Venom RC car, on some of the Hyper. So a lot of companies using, I think, the same platform, and probably the same, if you have the same old vehicle, probably the same parts from this will fit for your vehicle. Now, those things is not designed to go really fast. They're probably about, I would say, 25 miles an hour or so. Now, the cool thing about it that you can soup it up. And I will do it in one of the video. I will get rid of this motor, get rid of the ESC and the servo, and soup it up a little bit with the brushless motor. Now, this motor, when you look close, let's hope it's zooming the right way. It's have like this circuit on the back. So I guess this will work better than a regular. It's like they're trying to make it like the old style racing motor. Hopefully it's going to work better and not going to burn easily. But we're going to go and try it and see how it's going to work. Now let's put the body back on it. And the body actually sits on it right away. There's no problem with it, it just fit. And I want to show you guys what else you get in the box. So you get a charger, you get actually a good USB charger. This USB charger will charge probably this battery. You see, if you look on the back, it's 500 milliamp. There is a 900 milliamp battery, so it will charge it in about 2 hours. Okay, it's about 2 hours, probably an hour and 45 minutes. It's not bad at all, and it's very cool that they did that. And then when you look else, what else there is in the box here? You have a remote. The remote is a very basic 2-channel remote, very toyish looking, but you don't need more than that. And for the price, those in about like $130 or so. This is not bad at all. And those vehicles available right now in our shop at Motor Styles. We are located at 17540 Chatsworth Street in Granada Hills. If you are new to the channel and you don't know where we are, you know, I highly recommend to get one of those because it's a cool 118 vehicle, 118 scale that usually very hard to find that with a big brand name on them. So I'm gonna go try it and show you guys how it's run. and we go from there. And later I'm going to open some of the other vehicles, just so we're going to have a little bit more idea how the other vehicles look like, and I guess we're going to go from there. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. And please write a comment, because I'm gonna give one of those vehicles. But in order to give one of those vehicles, I want to see all those likes popping on the bottom over there, and I want to see nice remark. You guys need to communicate one with another, asking questions. We will answer them for you guys, and also tell me if you want to see anything else. Talk to you later, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.